Today, we'll dive into the world of best ceiling fans with lights and remotes, exploring the top 5 options on the market. These fans not only offer comfort and style, but also incorporate modern technology for convenience and efficiency. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the 52-inch modern ceiling fan with light and remote control from Regair, priced at $89. This fan offers a perfect combination of style and function with its 52-inch size and 5 double-sided blades that ensure excellent air circulation. The dimmable LED light is adjustable in both brightness and color temperature, ranging from cool white to warm white, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for any activity. Its reversible DC motor is energy efficient, saving up to 80% compared to traditional motors. And it operates quietly at a noise level of just 35 decibels. This fan is suitable for various room types, including the kitchen, bedroom, living room, home office, and dining room. The remote control allows you to easily adjust the fan speed and light settings from anywhere in the room. The fan also features a timer function, which can be set for 1, 3, or 6 hours, providing convenience and energy savings. Installation is made easy with most parts pre-assembled, and a detailed user manual is included to guide you through the process. Users have praised this fan for its stylish design, quiet operation, and effective air circulation. However, some have noted that installation can be challenging without assistance. Overall, this fan is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their home's comfort and aesthetics. Second on our list is the Hunter Fan Dempsey Low Profile Indoor Ceiling Fan, priced at $139. This 44-inch fan is perfect for rooms with low ceilings, thanks to its sleek, low-profile design that fits flush against the ceiling. The Whisper wind motor provides powerful airflow without making noise, ensuring a peaceful environment. The fan includes an energy-efficient LED light kit that offers dimmable lighting, allowing you to adjust the ambience to suit your needs. The universal handheld remote makes it easy to control the fan speed and light brightness from anywhere in the room. This fan is ideal for various room types, including the bedroom, living room, kitchen, and nursery. The modern design with a fresh white finish adds a contemporary touch to any interior. Customers appreciate the fan's quiet operation and stylish appearance. However, some reviews mention the need for additional accessories, such as a specific dimmable switch and a remote control wall mount, which can increase the overall cost. Despite this, the fan's performance and ease of use makes it a popular choice among buyers. Third is the VOLISUN Low Profile Ceiling Fan with lights and remote, priced at $69. This 15-inch bladeless fan is ideal for smaller rooms and features a modern, minimalistic design. The LED light is dimmable and adjustable in color temperature, offering a range from warm to cool lighting, controlled via a remote or an app. The fan's dual memory function saves your preferred light settings, ensuring a consistent and personalized experience. It operates quietly with 6 different speed options, allowing you to choose the perfect airflow intensity. Installation is straightforward with most components pre-assembled, and the package includes a comprehensive user manual. Users appreciate the fan's strong airflow and modern look, although some have found it challenging to fit the attachment holes to standard US electrical junction boxes. Despite its compact size, this fan delivers impressive performance, making it a great addition to bedrooms, living rooms, and dining rooms. The 3-year satisfaction service offered by the manufacturer adds to its appeal. Overall, this fan provides excellent value for its price, combining functionality and style in a compact package. Next up is the Addlon Ceiling Fan with lights, priced at $99. This 42-inch fan is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring reversible blades and a quiet motor with 6 speed settings. The dimmable light offers 3 color temperatures, allowing you to create the perfect lighting for any occasion. The fan includes a remote control that lets you easily adjust the fan speed, light brightness, and timer settings. The memory function saves your last settings, providing added convenience. Installation is user-friendly with detailed instructions and videos to guide you through the process. This fan is suitable for various room types, including the bedroom, living room, home office, and dining room. It is also ideal for outdoor spaces like patios and gazebos, as long as it's not directly exposed to rain. Customers love its stylish design and quiet operation, though some have noted that the fan's smaller size may not be suitable for larger rooms. The fan's reversible motor improves air circulation, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Overall, this fan is a versatile and stylish addition to any home, offering excellent performance at an affordable price. Last but not least, we have the Warmiplanet Ceiling Fan with lights, priced at $134. This 52-inch fan features a modern design with double-face blades and nickel-plated motor housing. The LED light provides 3 color temperatures, adjustable via remote control, ensuring the perfect lighting for any setting. The fan's reversible motor allows for efficient air circulation throughout the year, making downdrafts in summer and updrafts in winter. The fan operates quietly with a noise level of less than 50 decibels and includes a timing function for added convenience. Installation is straightforward, though some users have found the instructions for the control box unclear. Customers appreciate the fan's sleek appearance, quiet operation, and powerful airflow. However, the quality of the light has been a point of criticism, with some users noting that the plastic shroud restricts light output. Despite this, the fan's overall performance and value for money make it a popular choice. With its combination of style, functionality, and affordability, this fan is a great addition to any home. So, in conclusion, these ceiling fans with lights and remotes offer a range of features to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize style, airflow, lighting options, or ease of installation, there's a fan on this list to meet your requirements. And be sure to consider the pros and cons of each model to find the perfect fit for your home. And don't forget that links to all products mentioned in this video are going to be down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.